Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm twisting wire for earrings using a pin vise. I'm using 20 gauge artistic wire and 3mm flat artistic wire. I have the pin vise and a 1.25mm metal hole punch. You will need flush cutters, flat pliers, round pliers, and I have the Beadalon bail making pliers. We are going to start by putting the 3mm flat wire in the pin vise, so we need to tighten it up. I'm using about 6 inches. We're just going to tighten it right in there, and then I'm going to hold the end with my flat pliers and twist. And it's just going to twist it around into a nice even twist. So we just keep going until it has as many twists as you want. And when you're happy with it, we're just going to remove it from the pin vise. And then from there, I just cut it in half with my flush cutters. Just give it a good little cut. And you'll see they're almost the same size. I just adjusted the top, straighten it out a little bit with the flat pliers. We're going to compare them to make sure they're the same size. And if you need to, you can trim them. You want them to be the same size. And you're going to want to file those little rough ends. So I'm just using a regular flat jewelry file. And then I have the 1.25mm metal hole punch, and we're just going to center it and give it a good little punch. I'm going to remove it, wiggle it around to get it out. And then you can make your own earring hooks. I'll link up tutorials for the hooks. And we're going to slide the hook on there and close it up. And those are some really funky, simple twisted wire earrings. Now you can experiment with the pin vise to twist wire. I tried it with a bead. So we're just going to stick a 8mm hematite bead in there and then just bring the wires up. Put the ends in the pin vise. Make sure they're the same length and make sure they're right in there and twist it up so it's securely in place. And there you see you can twist the wire using the pin vise, holding the bead, and just twist it as much as you want. There's lots of possibilities for using this tool to twist wires. Just going to wind it up a little bit to see how that looks. You could turn this into an earring if you want. And now I'm going to do it just with plain wire without the bead. So center it, just bend it right in the middle there with the round pliers. I'm making a little loop on the end. So these are the Beadalon bail making pliers. I'm using the smallest part of the pliers, and we're just going to make a little centered loop and bring the wires straight down. Now we're going to insert that loop into the pin vise. Tighten it up, hold the end with the flat pliers, make sure the wires are together, and now you can just give it a twist. There's many different ways you can twist wire. You can do it by hand, you can use a drill, but this is a fun way to do small pieces of wire. So just twist it so it's the consistency that you want. Remove it from the pin vise, and from there you can clip it to any length. You can file the ends a little bit if you want, and then you can take a couple of them and make sure they're the same length, just using the flush cutters. So you can make a simple pair of earrings with one of these twists if you want, or you can double them up to make it a little bit more fancy. Whatever your preference, sky's the limit. You can add some beads if you want. I'm keeping it simple for this one. So now we're going to close it up. And there you have some very funky twisted wire earrings. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.